Want to make a stunning resume that stands out? In this video, I will show you how to create a professional resume directly on Behance for free. Stick around until the end to discover 2 quick tips to make your resume pop and attract recruiters. Head to behance.net and log in or sign up. It is free to use and perfect for creative resumes. Click Create a Project. This will be your custom resume page, like an online portfolio and CV in one. Now add text blocks for your name, experience, education, and skills. You can also insert images, icons, or background elements for style. Use Behance's formatting tools to align everything cleanly. Stick to 2 fonts and matching colors to keep it sharp and readable. Once done, hit publish. You can now share your resume as a link or download it as a PDF using print options in your browser. Tip 1. Add a featured image with your name and title. It will show up in search results and grab attention fast. Tip 2. Add tags like graphic design resume or UI/UX CV so recruiters can easily find your work through Behance search. And that's how you can build a professional resume right on Behance. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, see you soon.